Happy New Year! Access your first free language gifts of the year right now. Here's what you're getting this month. First, the National Holidays Cheat Sheet. Want to know more about national holidays in the country you love? This conversation cheat sheet will not only give you the dates, but will also teach you all the words and phrases to talk about these holidays. Second, do you know 7 tested ways to learn language fast? With this ebook, you'll learn how to speak better, remember more words, and improve fast. Download it for free right now. Third, do you have allergies and want to be able to read food packaging? Check out the most useful words and phrases you should know when reading food packaging, from nutritional value to allergens. Fourth, want to be able to talk about the world around you? Then this next 1-minute lesson is for you. You'll learn common geography vocab fast. Fifth, want to play video games in your target language? You'll learn the basic video game words and phrases with this 1-minute lesson. Sixth, want to learn the language on your phone? Then download our innovative Language 101 app for free for the Android, iPhone, and iPad. You'll learn fast and start speaking in minutes. And finally, the deal of the month. If you want to finally master the language with lessons by real teachers and our complete language learning program, take the 12-month challenge and get 12 months of Premium or Premium Plus at up to 45% off. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the description below. Download them right now before they expire.